hagajing persang ban kmi bnya ya kajing ya chakmat hakabaya dei bagajing tei ya ka building bathamai jong ka Ïing Dorbar Thawaiñ ka Jylla ka badan Mawdiangdiang u Thomas e sangma u Lamphang ka Ïing Dorbar Thawaiñ haka pratri uno pra arja arpusan ulapen long ya kajing lang ban bishar bnya halor ka ka kam Hagani Jylliew nalor u Lamphang lai don bentalang ru daw sembut menteri rangba ka Jylla uba preston tensong upadai ru menteri ubadai kmi yakatanat parliamentary affairs ka sarkar Jylla nalor kiwe pat. Habakran sigilat pathai kubor u Thomas e sangma ulapen scam makapor ban Pyndep yaka Ïing building bathamai kan dei hobnai Jylliew jong snam arajar arpon rio kat kum balabu thong daga bapen pau ba andala dep tei yaka hol onla ban penong no yaka Dorbar. Nalor kata ulapen tepru bo unlej ban Jurip ya ketika building haka khat wei teri uno pra arja arpusan ban kmi bnya halor karukam pentrei yaka.
Today we had the second monthly review meeting to review the ongoing construction of a new Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building at Mawdiangdiang. And this is the second monthly review meeting that had taken place. Last time it was done during the month of November. And I'm happy to also share that the meeting was very productive. And we have seen that after having this kind of review meetings, the progress of work can also be seen and recorded accordingly, and what needs to be done during the course of this construction, the ongoing construction. So we have come to a few decisions, like the timeline to complete the main hall of the assembly is still remains by June 2026. After the building is complete by June 2026, I can safely say that assembly sessions can be immediately held in the new premises.
Does mean
new building.
2026?
Yes. Made a program to go to the site on 11th of this month. That is day after tomorrow.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ika dur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki
balehi banai kita
kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya